In the Canadian Western Arctic, temperatures have increased at double the rate of the global average. This significant warming trend is leading to changing precipitation patterns, permafrost degradation, and increased shrub expansion into the tundra, directly and indirectly affecting the lake and river systems. Researchers at Wilfrid Laurier University are studying the effects of climate change in Arctic environments in order to assess how hydrological systems will change in the future. My research uses UAVs to quantify the amount of water stored on the landscape as snow. In the Arctic, snow accounts for over half the annual precipitation and contributes to nearly 80% of the annual stream flow, but this is changing under a warming climate. My research couples high-resolution remote sensing with field measurements to better understand the effects of changing snow cover on the hydrological system, allowing for a better understanding of future changes in Arctic snow cover. This research provides a new method for documenting Arctic environments from above, and has shown that drones can be an effective tool for understanding the complex nature of tundra snow covers.